What's up, Edmonton? Ryan here with Hauer Power Electrical. We're on our way out to another call out over the long weekend where a client lost power to their plugs in their condo. And this one might be pretty easy or it might be pretty tricky. Kind of depends on how far the homeowner went to try and fix it himself. At the end of the day, if it's just a trip breaker, we can reset the breaker nice and easy. We tried guiding them over the phone with that one, but they were unable to make that facilitation happen. As far as this, stay with me as we go and fix this person's problem of get their condo plugs back up and running. Stay tuned. Client had hot ground reverse on multiple receptacles. This one was originally backstabbed, and so we put it clockwise around the screw so it will stay forever. This was on a different circuit. These lights are on this circuit as well. Here's another backstab receptacle. This one seems to be holding. We have another end of line backstab receptacle over here. Does not show arcing or signs of chart on the neutral. However, over here, we do find that the backstab has failed and the neutral has become nice and cooked to the point where we can probably just pull it right out of the receptacle. But as you can see, the white wire is no longer white as its path back has been severed. So we're going to replace this receptacle and get Humpty Dumpty back together again. After swapping out the receptacles, this one is now wired correctly, as well as the other ones in various locations, and everything is working correctly. What's up, Edmonton? So we're all finished up there now. Turns out the issue is exactly what we thought it was. It was a backstab issue, meaning when someone wires a receptacle and the wires are not clockwise around the screw and they're backstabbed, the internal component of that receptacle is rated for a backstab. However, when you have heat loss, when you have an exterior wall, when you have any sort of wear and tear or vibration, those barbs that hold onto the wire inside, they will loosen up and they will let go, and eventually the wire will either pop out or have such a loose connection, as in this case, that it will cook up the wire because the connection is not strong enough to maintain the amount of current that the wire wants to pass through. So clockwise around the screw as always, and then you'll never need us unless you want us. Again, this is Ryan with Hauer Power Electrical, powering customer service. Stay tuned for the next one.